Well, I was gonna go play with the youngins, but they done got out of the water. Yeah.
Hey, they're up there.
Where? Oh, hey.
Don't you jump off of there. Get your foot back over there. Are you gone?
I ain't worried about it till it gets to my nuts, then I'm gonna worry about it. Ow, shit. Jump! Think it's over my head right here? What? It's just a floating handle. I was gonna film you on your board. You still got it? So what? What? That's a stick. See if I can get over here without busting my ass. That's, oh shit. That is where the it drops off. It'd be over my head right there. Yeah, what are y'all doing just sitting up there? Normally this is dry, y'all. See. The damn pier's starting to come up. It's not deep enough to jump off that, unless you go way out there.
No, we are. We just stepped in that right now. It's deep right there. That's over. Well, I jumped in that.
Yeah. Do they know you jump off? Are you sure? Okay. See what?
They don't care until they see it.
So they don't know you do it.
They really don't care.
Well, if you do it now, it's going to be on film. It'll be on the channel.
Am I going to get pushed off?
It'll be on the channel.
You don't walk it, so.
It'll be on the, this is going on the Days channel.
Daily channel?
Please don't hurt yourself. Alright, your turn.
He's checking out, don't you?
Yeah, don't hurt your nut. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Just don't go head first. I would do it, but I'm old. What?
I want to get one of those because you can actually see what your video.
Yeah.
You get the screen.
Yeah.
I want to get both behind the boat, but I can't because it's
I need to try that. Are you gonna film me? Okay. Yeah, I've never done it, so.
I want to do it on a boat. You might want to take off the glasses. You might want to take off the glasses. It gets deep quick. Just, you can take off running. Underwater he goes! You have to start coming back from back there.
Yeah.
That was funny. What, your fingers? Well, that's what happens when you...
When you don't know what you're doing, you fall and bust your ass. Yeah, don't eat concrete, that shit hurts. Yeah, my knees ain't strong enough, I'm old.
Okay, look where the nature blue.
Huh?
Look where the nature blue.
No, that was already there. These are old games.
Ready, boy?
Where's it drop off at out here?
What, ready? This kid is too good. Go on. Ready?
Yeah. Goes. Woo, right there.
I found the grip.
Here, you ready?
Huh?
Go on.
I found the grip, Landon. I cut. I found the grip.
The grip.
The grip to the bike handle. We rode the bike in here and I lost it. I
Yeah.
can't grip to the bike. I didn't know it was running. It presses. It hurts. Like right now, if it was regular water, I would be able to stand right here.
Yeah, normally, yeah, because there's the end of the pier, so.
Right about here. And I'm 5'2", maybe? 5'1", 5'2".
I don't know, here. Let's see. Ready? Okay, that was bottom. That was still boat ramp. Let me see. Ready? Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna go underwater with this one.
Don't go too deep with it.
Yeah, no. I'm just gonna go right here. This is about where I jumped. Why isn't this about where I jumped? It gets deep quick.
It does.
That's why I said it's okay if we jump right there.